Hey traders, Nick Shaheen here. September 4th, looking at Roku. Tough week for the high flyers, right? But that's what happens when you rally so far without taking a breather. You just delay the inevitable. Okay, so this is Roku. Daily chart, about a year's worth of data. And this is what people look at usually when they look at charts. Is this a freak out moment? The freak out happened already. This was a freak out moment. Nobody talks about it when we freak out up 20% in 4 days. But then they freak out and they talk about it on TV when it falls 20% in 3 days. So if you didn't freak out here, you shouldn't be freaking out here. As simple as said. The good news is this a collapse? Is this where I start shorting? No. If I didn't get out anywhere here, today's low was not a place to get out. The place to get out would be as soon as this is lost, because this is a nicely consolidated, what is that, 10 days, and some before, and pivot zone from before. Same can be said here. So this whole area is supportive. So if somebody, in effect, on the daily chart, which is this one, this time frame, the bulls are still in charge. They're buying the dip. That's why they set higher lows. These are opportunities. So depends on my time frame is when I buy the dip or not. I personally don't like the stock, but if I'm a bull owning the shares, this is not a reason to get out. I should have scalped some here, sold some calls against it, covered calls, something. If I'm looking to get long, this would have been an opportunity. How do I get long? I buy calls, I buy it. I sell put spreads. Where do I sell them? If I don't really want to bother with owning it, I'll probably sell them down here because this is a really good bottom. This is abomination, right? COVID, forget about it. And so somewhere in the middle lies the truth. What if I'm an active trader and I want to know a little bit more? So active traders will look at it and say, nice consolidation zone. Holy moly. Check out this candle. Have I noticed this before? I don't know. Let's check it out. I have not. How did I miss this candle? Okay, so check it out. There are no coincidences in this world. First of all, this was a tight squeeze. They went through leg one and failed. Tight squeeze. They went through and exceeded leg one from this one and then came back to the point of control. What is the point of control? This is the place where they loved it the most. And check it out. There are no coincidences in this world. If you don't believe in charts, let this be your aha moment. This bottom right here, today's bottom, right? Look how it fits inside all of these, and check out this candle right there. My goodness. It's a doji, right? You can't even see the middle of it because they opened, they loved it, they hate it, and then they went back and said, we don't freaking know. Let's get right in the middle. So this is the point of control. Look at it. This is the place where they traded it the most, not even close second. All right, so what do I do with that information? It's a place they won't let go easily. And even though it's a hard line in the sand, I would probably treat it as a zone. Therefore, I don't get out of my longs if I didn't get out all the way down here. Now, this could happen, and if this becomes resistance, then I would look for this and see if they test it again. Then I'd be suspect of it again because they might be doing this. Not my forecast, I'm just telling you what I'm seeing in the price action. But this candle right there, if you want to put a note to yourself, note to self, I'm going to do that right now. Where is my box? There it is. This thing moves all the time. I wish I can like lock it in, this bar. You know, it's great to have a cheap bar, but it just pops here, pops here. It's like, surprise, where's Waldo today? I'm going to, I wish they could put a label to that. I don't think I can. Trading View, are you listening? Label? What does that do? 2 hour super candle. Check it out. I did not know that. We got to change the color. I can't see it. White. Okay, Trading View. Good job. All right, so back to the point. Good area it's falling into. This is where this is where what keeps us alive in real life, like as people, when you see people running one way, your instinct is to run with them. That's how you survive, because they're running away from something. So a lion behind you, you just chase. You just run with them. That's the FOMO. It works both ways. When people are chasing something, you chase up because you want to. That's your instinct. It's not good for investment purposes. So, and then on the way down, everybody's rushing into puts, everybody bailing out of their longs. You want to do the same. It's not the right thing to do. Almost never the right thing to do. Okay, so this is a short story on Roku. I don't know if we can do... Okay, so shorter term, this is a 5-minute chart. So basically today and yesterday. Painful day, right? So you've heard of Fibonacci. If we want to talk... Nope, that's not it. Somebody messed with my settings here. Okay, so this is about 50%. And it's a prior bounce. So they fell from here to here. Eyeball, half of it is about here. It's a natural place to find resistance. And then they fall down to here. They hit support. Short term, we're talking 5 minutes. And then they hit it again. And if they exceed it, now they have a cup and handle type of a deal. And they can fill back to this is where they're going to find resistance. So shorter term, man, they're active. Holy cow. Something going on I don't know about in the chat room. Speaking of which, I have a link down below for that. So check it out. All right, so the 5 minutes is normal price action. If I zoom out to 15 minutes, I find out a little more that this level up here might be a problem, this candle right there, because of this. So like I said, there are no coincidences. Look, this right here was the base for this rally, and this candle is going to be a problem on the way back up. What is happening? Okay. Roku is an emotional stock. Roku is a momentum stock, so it moves fast in either direction. If you don't use charts and technicals about it, you tend to make mistakes. Not you personally, but we tend to make mistakes. That's why I have so many lines. I don't get rid of them too long. Look, this area has been, this box we just drew, it's been a pivot zone for a while. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Espero. Wait, check it out. So the candle we were talking about was where? Somewhere in this middle right there. I took the box out. Look. And look how pointy it is. Look at this. Look at this. That is, I mean, if you don't believe in the fact that charts matter, look. They sure matter because machines do the trading. Machines need data. They look back. They look left. So you should be looking left. All right. Nick signing out. Good luck.